Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your iOS 8 problem. Step 1. Remove case and give it a break. Take off your iPhone case, stop using it for a few minutes if it feels very hot. Some cases trap it and cause overheating. Step 2. Close heavy apps backgrounds. Swipe up and hold to open app switcher. Swipe up to close heavy apps like games, YouTube, TikTok or camera. Too many apps running in the background can make your iPhone hot. Step 3. Disable background app interfaces. Go to settings, then general, then background app interface. Step 2. Turn it off or select Wi-Fi only. This reduces CPU usage and prevents overheating. Step 4. Lower screen brightness and turn off white gates. Swipe down to adjust brightness to moderate level. Remove unnecessary white gates from home screen. High brightness and live white gates increase battery and heat. Step 5. Update iOS and apps. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install latest iOS 18 update. Then open App Store, update all apps, iOS and apps. Updates fix bugs that can cause overheating. Step 6. Disable location services. Push notification. Go to settings, then privacy security, then location service. Turn off unused apps, then go to settings, then notifications. Disable unnecessary alerts. This prevents constant background activity that generates heat. And this is how you can fix your iOS 18 overheating problem. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.